5 really easy ways to unclog drains. It is a fact. At least once in your life, your sink will clog. Be it the bathroom sink or the kitchen sink, it happens. When it happens in the kitchen, it's usually because of food, oil, and other residues that end up in the sink. In the bathroom, the sink clogs mostly because of hair and other products that get stuck in the drain. Most people opt for chemical solutions, but since we prefer natural things, we will show you 5 homemade solutions to safely unclog your sink. 1. Baking soda 2. Dish detergent 3. Coca-Cola 4. Salt 5. Clean the siphon. Easy, isn't it? But better than knowing how to unclog your sinks and drains, is preventing it from happening. See some tips to prevent it. Avoid combing your hair during your bath or over the bathroom sink. Remove all grease from cooking utensils with a napkin before washing them. Never pour oil directly on the sink. If you have pets, remove all their hair from clothes before washing them. Last, but not least, always check beforehand if the draining is all right. If you catch a problem right in the beginning, it will be easier to solve. Do you have another trick to teach us? Share your opinion in the comments. So, did you like these recipes? Did you know them already? Try them and tell us what you think in the comments below.